Pranav, stop the recording. Yeah, we can start. Who is starting first?
Can I?
Okay, go ahead, Parth.
Screen sharing is disabled.
Pranav, enable screen recording and start the recording also.
The recording was on a long time ago and I started screen sharing.
Stop the recording and start now. Stop the recording and start the recording now.
I started recording earlier.
No, I said stop that.
So I'll pause recording and resume recording.
We didn't have anything, no. Unnecessary, it will be waste of recording.
I don't record that much extra.
Okay, go ahead. Parth, go ahead.
The screen visible?
Yes, yes.
And which I'm going to talk today. So this so I know about FTC, like FTC means first tech challenge. So I came to know about CAD shapes on shape by the team Sigma. So FTC is a very competitive exam, and we have to every FTC team have to raise their own money. So this is about my CAD. So like I can't give some of my CAD photos because I'm having some error with my login in the Google. So like I'm trying to do a workshop from 19 December to 21 December for the school students.
Okay, so just go back. You finished the certification on shape. Excellent.
You only done one, that's 4.
Oh, this is only one.
Sorry, sir.
There are 4 things you have to do. You've only done one of them.
Like this is the certificate of only one course. You're supposed to complete the whole path.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like my account is deleted from the Google, so I'm doing it from the like first part of it.
Okay, so you'll be able to complete it by tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
What about a SIM, FTC SIM?
Even the FTC SIM was linked with the Google account, so it also like deleted. So I'm doing the project from the first one.
Oh, so you have problem with your Google account.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please solve it because we would not know what you learned, no, because it's not showing here.
Yes, sir.
So please update us about your status on Monday, okay? Tomorrow's whole day we give you to finish on shape as well as FTC SIM.
Okay, sir.
Monday you show us the screenshots.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing, this is for all of us. Venkatesh has asked for some details. Please fill in those details, and we have to do the engineering notebook also. All of you, please give the details what Venkatesh has asked for.
Okay, thanks, Parth. Next presentation, Aditya.
Yes, sir. So can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So these are my learnings from FTC. So I learned about FTC, what is first tech challenge, what it means, its values, right? Gracious professionalism and cooperation. So which basically means that we compete with the other teams, but at the same time, we try to help them in any way possible, and we learn from them. And we, like, for example, the Sigma team, right? Even though we are competing with them, they are still mentoring us. Right? I also learned about the organization, how it was founded, what is its purpose, and the benefits it gives to students, like increased teamwork, confidence, and leadership skills. Then about Legogoa, so I was not much involved with Legogoa, so I didn't know much. but then I went on the internet and I went to your Facebook page and I learned, about the various activities Legogoa has done, and the members also, what are the things they're taking part in, like a appathon and 1 hour's activities, and also our outreach, which was conducted, various apps were made to help weaker sections of society. Then on Sunday, I learned the rules of the game, the scoring and the components used based on the presentations given by the other students. Then how to create a sponsorship document and raise funds from potential sponsors. So previous to this, I did not know much about how to do it. So I went online and I went to the FTC website. I saw their resources from there. Sir Saish also had shared with me one document, and I saw the many other teams' documents, how they had made it. And I took ideas from there. I added some of my own ideas, and I created a PowerPoint presentation, which we could share with sponsors to make them aware of us and motivate them to, give us funds and resources. Then how to design a website to raise awareness about ourselves. So this I have done very recently with the help of Taksh. And so designing the website, the way it should look, then the various information that should go into it. Yeah, so continuing from that, the structure of the website, the various ways in which the users, as in the people who will go to our website, how they can go through it, what should be the content of our website. Then this is something I've been exploring, right? How to increase our traffic, right? We can update our website with blogs. So regular entries, just summaries of what we've been doing, and interesting and catching to the readers to help them to increase interest in our website. Then this is also something else I've been reading, how we can analyze our traffic, right? Analyze the people coming to our website uh, through Google Analytics, as well as the promotions possible via your website. Then, but this is still a work in progress. I'm reading about it, not completely. Sorry. I've been also checking the various ways in which funds and resources can be raised, and the way they are being raised by other teams or other similar organizations, and the various advantages and disadvantages of each method. So using
Parth, please mute yourself. Parth.
Pranav, mute Parth.
Yeah, he's muted. Okay, go ahead, Aditya.
Yeah, so the various ways in which funds and resources can be raised, and the advantages and disadvantages of each method. So using those methods, I've been weighing it, and I think I should be able to come up with what do you say, a fundraising plan by tomorrow. Yeah. Then also reusability aspect, right? So much of a large part of the code or code that could be helpful to us or parts, they've already been uploaded, say on the internet or wherever. So I was researching that maybe we can use.
Aditya, just hold on. Somebody is unable.
Bhushan, Samihan, we are able to hear. You need to figure out your side.
Maybe log out and log in.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead, Aditya.
Yeah, so maybe some of the code or some help that we need, some concepts to figure out how to design a robot, right? So that has already been uploaded somewhere, maybe in some document or on our website or on the internet. So I was seeing that what are the resources we can access to help us. Then this is what we did also on Sunday, understanding the game format and evaluating various potential strategies to help us gain the maximum score. And at the same time, we can block our opponents. So this is what we were discussing, how to create that circuit, how to, prevent our opponents from scoring, and we had to understand the game format for that. So, if you can, for example, on the ground level, you can only place a cone. And if you place that cone in front of their pit, then they can't make a circuit. So like that. So I've been going through that as well. Then understanding the aspects of build mechanics, such as compliance to dimensions, efficient as design of arms and legs, center of gravity, weight. So this is also what we discussed on Sunday, right? The various aspects that go into the designing of the robot, right? So the arms, we have to consider that they should not be too heavy, right? And they should not be too long. So we have to make sure that the center of gravity is in the right place. And also it is important that the robot is within the dimensions which they're given to us.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, sorry. Then search engine optimization, which means basically that we can include some keywords in our website and make it more attractive on the search engine. So when I'm searching it, right, this will appear. This is currently in progress. I'm trying to figure out how to make it more attractive to people to search it, and how to make it more visible, and how to budget and develop a fundraising plan. Yeah, so this is what I'm working using, various resources provided by uh, the website First Tech Challenge, and the various wonderful advice which they've given. I'm working on a fundraising plan, and I should be able to give it by tomorrow. Yeah. And least part algorithm, work in progress. So this is something that I came across. So this is like a program to help a robot get around in a maze, right? So which is very much similar to what we are doing, and how to do it in the shortest possible time. And they've given like a method for doing it. So such as the studying the grid, then enabling the robot to map it, code it, etc. So I'm currently in progress, right? I'm currently studying this, but I think it could be helpful for us. And I've been reading the document.
There are 3 to 4 ways in which you pass a grid, right? Maze. So which
Yeah.
one you are looking at actually?
No, not like that. It's like how to train your robot to go through the maze. So first, what do you say? It's like a program, auntie. Sorry,
Yeah,
ma'am. So yeah, so like how the robot will scan the grid, then it will map it, then how it will, autonomously go. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So see, it is correct. What you're studying is correct. There is something called as least path algorithm, which so basically that logic can be used.
4 ways.
You may not be able to actually map it to the grid because we do not have such kind of sensors. But certainly we have to go into, so what we discussed that day, right? That we have to know what is the shortest path, how do you optimize the plan? So it's part of that only. So we will reach there. We are yet to reach that part.
So we cannot like map it like the way they've done in the robots like that.
There are 4 ways to reach the least path algorithm. You define whether it is left, right, forward, backward. Then
Science में जा रही हो, maths में, हम maths तक गए नहीं. We are still talking about algorithm.
He has done. I am asking which kind of algorithm he has picked up. There are 4 different algorithms to achieve least path.
Yeah, so ma'am, I'm still studying this, so I will get back to you on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for your time and paying attention to my PPT. Thank you.
Yeah, nice presentation. You are in which standard, Aditya?
11th, ma'am.
That's why I could see the maturity in the presentation. Very nice, well presented. But only one comment I have here is for your future presentations. put some images, because one image can speak about 1,000 words. Like for example, you are saying like on this slide only, if you look at to adjust the center of gravity, right? You could put an image where center of gravity is misplaced and where center of gravity is correct, right? And then with one heading, you will get to understand the importance of center of gravity.
So instead of putting a text on a
Text,
PPT,
like-
basically you don't put a text, you talks text, but put images on the presentation.
Yeah, that is for
Yes, sir,
your
definitely.
general
Yes.
presentations, but work-wise, yeah, you presented well today.
Thank you, ma'am.
No,
Thank
you're
you
already
so much.
good.
And I'll
You
take
can
it.
stay.
Yes.
Excellent, excellent. Well done. You put in a lot of effort here. So you're not done FTC SIM, right?
Oh, no, sir. I've decided to focus more on this.
Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. But still, you're still getting into technical, that is list path algorithm, which is good. That is actually technical. So it's math actually.
Yes, sir.
When you start working in list path algorithm, it is actually math. You will read, you will start getting into it. Once you start reading it more into it, you'll realize that it is math again. Yeah, good, very good. Anybody has questions to either Parth or to Aditya? Welcome. So Aditya, our website needs to be spruced up. Please talk to Vedant and to Taksh to make it.
Sure, sir. I will work with Taksh. I had asked him, he said he would do it, but yeah, I will definitely follow up with him.
That is one. The second thing is, or if you need somebody else's help also, you can take. Anybody wants to volunteer for the website team, please help Aditya. Because I can see that Vedant is not contributing, is not joined any of the meetings. So maybe any other volunteer is welcome to help Aditya for the website.
Can I?
Who is that? Parth, right? Parth, you can, yes, please help Aditya, because we need help in the website. Website needs a lot of work there. Venkatesh, where is your blog article?
Sir, I made the video. The Shaunak was supposed to make the blog thing, documentation.
Both of it. Shaunak, why is your document not yet given to me?
Sir, I'll do it by today.
I want it by email today, huh? It's already
Yes,
a couple of days now. It will be old by the time you give it to me otherwise. Both the workshops, right? Or only one workshop?
Both the
So
workshops.
the second workshop video I'll send today.
Yes, please.
Second workshop already Akshay has made, no?
Video. He's making a video of how the workshop was conducted.
Oh.
What about the blog article? Has Aditya, your blog article has gone to the website?
Sir, I had shared with Taksh.
I think
So
it
I
was
had
not
shared
gone.
with Taksh. So he said he would do it by yesterday, but he's not yet done it. I'll follow up with him.
No, you can take Parth and Parth's help. That's better.
So, but like all the uploading work, putting all the information is being done by Taksh. So I'm not sure how Parth can do that.
Okay. Okay. Two more things. One thing is you have not shared your t-shirt sizes. The WhatsApp I had circulated, right? Please add your sizes. We will place the order tomorrow. You've seen the WhatsApp message, right? Please add your names and the size. You're only putting the first name. And the second thing is, we have a presentation on FTC awards. Please do not miss that presentation. It's very, very important, all of you. A very important presentation. The one who is presenting is highly experienced in FTC. Her son has won all the awards, so she knows exactly how the process works. Please do not miss it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions anybody has? Tomorrow's presentations, both of you all are making, right? Who is presenting tomorrow?
So me, Shaunak.
Shaunak and Okay, one more thing. Tomorrow is the last date for your CAD on-chip certification. If anybody is facing a problem, please ask Viraj. Viraj has finished. But please try and finish the certification tomorrow. Tomorrow, your Sunday, please finish it off. Yeah, that's it. Thanks to you all and have a good night.
Where are we meeting tomorrow offline?
You can come to my place at 4 o'clock onwards.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, it's open. Yeah.